Yeah. Hello, life is creating and sharing. Today, I want to share with you cleaning my dishes without using detergent. No detergent and no dishwasher because they both waste money and waste water and waste time. The reason I'm using I have a lot of dishes, but I really simply just using boiled water. Instead of just boiled water, I'm using all the leftover, the lemon peel, the orange peel, and the grapefruit. Particularly, I have so many grapefruit, they're much bigger. So all these peel boil into hot water, and now I just show you all my peel. And then I want to show you when you pour this water, just wait. And then you see, this is my lemon. You see, can you see that? This is my lemon. Now, that this is my lemon, yeah. And then I pour them, I already boil it. And so now you can see, I just pour them. You see, pour them, and then pour them. You see, very, very clean. That's it. So, this is so easy and it's so clean. And then this water, you see all the dishes very, very clean. And the sponge, nothing can survive the sponge after hot water. So now when I take all the dishes away and clean one more time with hot water, and guess what? The hot water still inside my box. And then I save this water and I use for my, either you can flush into toilet, still hot water, or you can use for cool it down and using for my trees. So in this case, I can save a lot of water. So this is very important to preserve, to save the water and save the time, not just because you have the money. This is the saving time and make the dish very, very clean and very, very quick. So life is creating and sharing, and I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.